Well, I've been measuring on the sheet metal part here and tracking all the data here, testing it for true position back to the CAD model too. But sometimes it's kind of confusing on how I'm looking at this part. There's a couple options that we can do. The dynamic rotate works great to kind of move this part around in the CAD model to get the view I like. But what I'd like to show you guys is the A hotkey, which is the device view. So you can use the arm to put your SAT file in a view that kind of makes sense from where you're positioned. And the way to do that in this SAT file is either with the A hotkey. So I just put that on there, and then I'm going to grab the arm, and notice how it just kind of flips around in my data. So if I'm looking straight down on it, I've got the view here. But say I was looking over at this feature in the side here. If I wanted to put my arm almost in this view here, it kind of looks like it's looking down on it. If I just hit the front button, green button, it stops the view, or it stops the rotation of the view based on the arm. And then what I can do is just kind of zoom into that area there where I was concerned with this true position. And definitely that's how the arm is looking at that feature. So it's a very easy way of doing that. And the other way of doing that, if you didn't remember the A hotkey, it would be under your Measure, Device View. And again, the only thing it's doing is it's taking the orientation of the arm relative to the coordinate system, and as soon as you hit the green button, it tracks the location in that view.